Hello viewers, welcome to Ainish Kitchen. Today I have come up with a recipe of Masala Kanji. It is also called as Masala Rice Porridge. It's an absolute comfort food and a one-pot meal filled with loads of nutrients and vitamins. You can have this Masala Kanji as your daily meal or when you do not have time to cook, and it is highly recommended to use it when you are sick and feeling tired. It will boost your immunity and give you energy to fight back. For this recipe, I have used parboiled rice, which is also known as Matta Rice in Kerala, which is high in fiber, magnesium and calcium. Also, I have used green lentils that has vitamin B, zinc, potassium, and curd is used as a gravy, which is also rich in calcium. Here, I have soaked the red rice in hot water for 30 minutes. The reason I have soaked is the red rice takes long time to cook compared to the lentils. That's the reason why I have soaked it in hot water. To this now I add 3/4 cup of green lentils and I mix it together and wash it very nicely by rubbing them together. I'm going to pressure cook them by adding 6 cups of water. To this I will add 1 bowl of chopped onions, 4 to 5 sliced garlics, 2 inch of ginger chopped, and 5 to 6 green chilies slit into long pieces so that I can remove it at the end. Now I will add 6 cups of water into the pressure cooker, and along with it I will add little bit of salt as well. I'm not adding the full salt because I'm afraid maybe the rice and the lentils will not cook properly. So for the time being, I'm just adding half the quantity of the salt. At the end, I am adding some curry leaves for the flavor. Cook it until you hear 4 to 5 whistles. Sometimes it even goes up till 6 whistles. While the kanji is cooking, I'm going to prepare the remaining masala. In a grinder, I add 3/4 cup of freshly grated coconut and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. I'm going to grind it with the help of 1 tablespoon of water to a coarse paste. I do not want a fine paste. It is just going to be a coarse paste. I have taken 2 cups of sour, thick curd and I have added some salt to it. I'll give a quick whisk and just keep it until my kanji is off the flame and it is cooled down. The pressure cook has released all the excess air and now I'm going to open it. Let me check if the rice has properly cooked. If not, I have to put it back on the flame. Since this is perfectly cooked now, we can add in the ground coconut paste. To this, I'm going to add 2 cups of curd, and give a good mix. Let me check for the seasoning of the salt, the chili, and the sourness from the curd. Yeah, it's perfect, but I need to add some more salt as I told you in the beginning that I have added only half the quantity of salt. If you feel that your kanji is too thick for you, you can add some more boiling hot water to it. Never add cold water, so I'm adding boiling hot water to adjust the consistency of the flow. I think now this is the perfect consistency for me. Now our delicious kanji is almost ready. Just one more final step of tempering. For this, I heat 2 tablespoons of pure coconut oil. To this, I add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Allow it to splutter. And then I add 1 tablespoon of dried crushed red chili. If you do not have a crushed red chili, you can add the whole red chili itself. I can get that beautiful spiced aroma. Be careful that you do not burn the chili flakes. And now pour it onto your kanji and cover it with a lid so that the fragrance retains inside the kanji. Cover it for 5 to 10 minutes. And that's it. Your delicious masala kanji or masala rice porridge is ready to be served with some papadums and pickles. I hope you enjoyed this yummy, delicious and nutritious superfood recipe. Thank you friends for viewing this recipe, and I hope to receive the feedback from you guys, the pictures of the recipe that you make. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, as I am going to come up with more amazing videos and amazing recipes for you all. Stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.